Hi, my name is Raul. I'm with Goverlan Reach, and today we are presenting our IT support software for digital displays. Effectively, we've noticed a trend in the market where the IT operations folks of different organizations needed the ability to extend capabilities to digital displays and the ability to manage and monitor them, to verify content and so on. So what we have here effectively is our dashboard system, which is showing the actual content playing on the content screens here on our right. Effectively, we have the ability to sort of put up a masked screen with digital content on it while the operators still maintain full control of the system in the background. This increases the security aspect of it, hiding any issues that might arise and preserving the digital experience. So if anybody has any questions or would like to know more about us, please visit us at www.goverlan.com.